Hi, this is Design Guy. Ready to make your travel videos pop with eye-catching animated text? Click Create, then select Video. Choose the landscape video format. Next, navigate to the desired section to begin customizing your video project with templates and media options. Search for elements and choose an appropriate background. For example, type Place into the search bar and browse the available photos. Select an image that fits your design needs. This method helps you find suitable backgrounds quickly and enhances your project's visual appeal. Use keywords relevant to your theme to discover a wide variety of high-quality photos. Incorporate the chosen background by clicking on it, then adjust its size and position to complement your overall layout perfectly. Now that we've selected the background image, click Text to add and customize your desired text element. Click the Font menu to change the font style. Choose any font you prefer from the list to customize your text. This updates the appearance instantly, allowing you to personalize your design with ease and creativity. First, select the text and choose your desired font from the font menu. Next, click the Animate button to add animation effects. From the animation options, select the typewriter effect to create a dynamic reveal of your text. You can adjust the animation speed by using the speed slider. Decreasing the speed will make the text appear more gradually, while increasing it speeds up the animation. Experiment with different speeds to find the best fit for your presentation. This simple animation adds visual interest and emphasizes your message effectively. Remember to preview your animation before finalizing to ensure it looks smooth and professional. Add a new element by selecting the plane option. First, click the Add button, then choose Mesh, and select Plane from the list. Position the plane as needed within your scene using the Move tool. This provides a flat surface for your project. Adjust the size and orientation to fit your design requirements before proceeding to the next step. Let's review the timeline and identify all the signs. I'll explain each one clearly. After that, we'll move on to working with the Elements section to continue building our project efficiently. This sequence ensures understanding before proceeding with the next steps in the tutorial. Locate the rectangle shape in your workspace. Click and drag its corners to enlarge it, covering the entire page. This will hide the initial sign beneath it. Next, select the rectangle, change its fill color to black by clicking the color option, then choose black from the palette. Adjust the shape as needed to ensure full coverage, completely obscuring the original content underneath for a clean, professional look. Select color 1, then hold Shift and click to select multiple colors. Next, change the color mode to LMS by choosing the LMS option. This allows you to work with colors in the LMS color space for accurate processing and visualization. Select both elements and group them together. Next, move the group slightly to conceal the flame behind it. After positioning, adjust the depth to make the grouping appear deeper within the design. This creates a layered effect, improving visual hierarchy. Experiment with the placement until the flame is partially hidden, enhancing the overall composition. Use the layering tools to finalize the depth adjustment for a polished look. First, hide all elements to clear the workspace. Now, select the element you want to work with. Arrange it on your track to position it precisely. Next, add an animation by clicking the Animate button. Choose the desired animation effect from the available options. Adjust the timing and settings to suit your needs. Preview the animation to ensure it plays smoothly. Finally, save your project to keep all changes intact before moving on to the next step. In Animate, select the group you want to animate. Click the Animate button, then choose Create Animation. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click and drag the group to the right. This allows you to move the group smoothly and precisely. Release the mouse button to set the new position. This method helps create controlled animations by moving objects step by step. Use Shift to maintain alignment during movement. Let's address the issue by repeating the animation. First, click Clear to remove the current animation. Next, select the group you want to animate again. Click Animate to apply a new animation, then choose Delete Path to remove the unwanted motion. After that, go to Change and click the appropriate option to adjust the animation settings. This process ensures that the animation is reset and can be customized properly. You can then reapply or modify the animation effect as needed. Following these steps helps to fix any errors and achieves the desired animation smoothly. This method maintains control over each animated element and streamlines the editing process. Remember to preview the animation after making changes to confirm that to create animation for a travel video in Canva, first select your text. Then, click the Animate button and choose your desired animation style. Adjust the animation speed by decreasing or increasing the duration to match your video flow. This customization enhances your travel video's visual appeal, making it more engaging and professional. Click the Share button, then select Download. Adjust the quality settings to increase video resolution before downloading your file for best results. Now you know how to create a travel intro with animated text in Canva like, and subscribe for more creative tips.